Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2012 Physics Past Question 2. In order to remove the error of parallax when taking measurements with a meter rule, the eye should be focused A. Slantingly towards the left on the markings, B. Slantingly towards the right on the markings, C. Vertically downwards on the markings, D. Vertically upwards on the markings. So what we're looking at here is error of parallax, and basically you are asked, what do you do in order to remove error of parallax when taking measurements with a meter rule? Now, the error of parallax is an error of observation. Okay, it's an error of observation. So, for example, you have a meter rule like this with its markings. Okay, this way. So you have the markings here. So when taking measurements with a meter rule, the eye is supposed to be, say this is the eye of the observer, the eye is supposed to be focused directly vertically downwards on the markings in order to remove or to prevent error of parallax. So when you have the eye of the observer something like this, okay, slantingly towards the markings, you are likely to have error of parallax. So in order to prevent that, the eye of the observer should be focused directly or vertically downwards on the markings, and that is option C. So C, vertically downwards on the markings, is how to eliminate error of parallax. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.